Today we will be testing the Chandelier Exit ZLSMA strategy indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Chandelier Exit ZLSMA strategy indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 61 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 805 indicators, with 327 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 21 of the winning indicators. 8 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today's indicator is the Chandelier Exit ZLSMA strategy, and you can see it here on screen. And so this indicator is pretty simple. Basically, we have the oscillating line here, and it is giving us these tags here. Might be kind of hard to see, but we have an orange tag right here, an orange tag with an S in it, and then we have a green tag right here, a green tag with a L in it. And so that is basically what we're looking for to give us our long and short signals. Now, keep in mind that this is a exit indicator, technically an exit indicator by kind of its sheer nature. And so what you will notice is that it does give these signals here. And so, for example, this is a long signal, and you can see that it does the bar coloration here. And so you can see how the bar coloration then ends right here. And so that gives us a nice exit point. Now, of course, we will be using our own take profit and stop in this particular case. But if you wanted to test this one again on your own and use the kind of built-in stop in this particular case, like I said, where the bar coloration then stops, so signal, and then the bar coloration stops there, would be our exit, then it might give some better results. Not really sure off the top of my head, haven't tried it. But so for now, what we're going to do is go ahead and just test it with a long signal. So the green L is going to be a signal to go long. The orange S is going to be a signal to go short. And like I said, we'll be using our take profit and stop in this particular case. And let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we picked up was a short signal. I paused that right on the nose there. You can see though that immediately we start to make a push to the upside there right after we get that short signal. And so it does come up and stop us out, unfortunately. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so the next signal that we pick up is a long signal. We get that green L tag right here, and we get a really nice push to the upside there, which does come up and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, a couple signals here. So we pick up a long signal right here on this one, and you can see immediately we get a drop to the downside. That does come down and stop us out. We then pick up a short right here on this side here. We get a little bit of a push to the upside there, but it does just kind of slowly roll over and trickle its way to the downside there. And it does come down and get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing that we think will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. It is free to join. Most of these channels here are the free channels that you are welcome to join and take part of any of the discussions, like I said, for free. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up for our patrons to take advantage of, where we're posting some just really great advanced information. So for example, this is Sasquatch. He's one of our members, does a really great job of putting up charts of the Forex market, where he's done market analysis and marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and even where he is looking to take trades some of the times. We have some of our other members that are also putting up their own market analysis, chart analysis of the Forex market. Here's another one. And our admin Jay, I don't see one from him right offhand, but our admin Jay is also doing analysis of the futures market. And so he is putting up charts as well, where he is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and will give a write-up on kind of what it is that he was looking at when he did the market analysis. So here's an example of the futures chart that he likes to post. And again, he gave a write-up on what it was he was looking at and why he was looking to take the trade and so on. And so again, some of our other members just kind of posting their results and their market analysis. Just a really great environment to be kind of a part of, hang out, bounce ideas off of each other, and just kind of feed off of each other's energy and feed off of each other's success. And so highly recommend that you join us. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, let's get this thing squeezed back here. All right, there we go. Let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 winning trades, and we have 1 and 2 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. Yeah, I mean, this indicator was interesting to say the least. It seemed like it was kind of catching some of the trend sometimes, but then other times it seemed to be little lagging and yeah, just kind of a little bit problematic as it was giving us short signals. It seemed like the market just continued to climb and climb, and sometimes when it was giving us long signals, the market just kind of went down, down, and down. And so all in all, just not going to work out for us here. Not going to meet the 60% criteria. So this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.